If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's Kitchen, where I will be making the 56th holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making a badi for the Mahaprasad, known as Nadi Badi. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take half a cup of uncooked rice and soak that in some water for roughly about 3 hours. Then take 1 cup of urad dal and soak that in some water for roughly about 6 to 8 hours. Then after that, discard the water, combine both of these and blend to make a thick batter without adding any water. Then 1 tablespoon of carom seeds or ajwain. Now in a bowl, add the blended batter of black gram and rice, and to that add all the ajwain, and with the help of a spoon combine these real well. Now keep in mind, this is not to be consumed directly. It's a badi which will be added to the curry recipes of Mahaprasad so that it will enhance the flavor and soak the salt from the curry itself. So that's why we are not adding any salt, because this is not a final product that to be consumed directly. Now after it's well combined, take a piping bag or in a cloth, take the batter, tightly bind it and cut a small portion of the tip. Now take lots of ghee or oil in a pan and set the flame on medium. Then gently squeeze the piping bag at top portion to make long threads in the hot oil. Now let these fry till they are golden in color, keeping on medium flame. Now here's the trick to make it crispier and store it for a long time. Remove these when they are golden in color. Let these cool down for roughly about 15 minutes. Then again fry them on medium flame just for a couple of minutes. Then remove them, break into pieces, and you can store them. And that's it, Nadi Badi, that to be used in Mahaprasad. So do try it at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.